Hello everyone. So now today's named reaction is Rosenmund reduction. So which is very important. Okay. So in the last video we had discussed the complete study about Kolb's reaction and Riemann-Tiemann reaction with proper mechanism, and we had seen the example for that each Kolb's reaction and Riemann-Tiemann reaction. So how we are going to get the acetyl salicylic acid, salicylic acid as well as salicylaldehyde, what are the reagent? So those all we had discussed in the last video. Now in this video we are going to see the Rosenmund reduction. If you want to see the previous videos, you can find in iCards as well as at the end of the screen of this video. Okay, let's get into the video. That is Rosenmund reduction. Now here Rosenmund reduction is the reaction which is used only for the preparation of aldehydes. Only aldehydes can be prepared by using this Rosenmund reduction. Now here by using this Rosenmund reaction we cannot prepare the formaldehyde. That is the major important concept. Now you see here what happens actually in Rosenmund reduction means the acid chlorides react with hydrogen. Hydrogenation of acid chloride takes place in presence of palladium catalyst on a barium sulfate solution. So, and also we are using some negative catalyst like quinoline or sulfur we are using, which reduces the rate of reaction. What is the role of here quinoline and sulfur here? The quinoline and sulfur will reduce the activity of this catalyst, because if it is not reduced, then what happens? These acid chlorides will be converted to alcohols but not aldehydes. Okay, now so further reduction takes place. So to control that activity of the catalyst, we are using the quinoline and the sulfur. That is very important. Now you see here acid chloride will be changes to aldehyde in case of Rosenmund reduction. Now what is the catalyst we are using? Palladium over a barium sulfate. We are doing the hydrogenation of acid chloride. I am taking the acid chloride as acetyl chloride. It is an acetyl chloride. This acetyl chloride on reaction with hydrogen gas in presence of palladium over barium sulfate. Okay, so in presence of quinoline solution, quinoline is what here? Negative catalyst which reduces the activity of this palladium catalyst. If it is not used, then what happens? The acyl chloride will be changes to alcohol. Instead of getting aldehyde, we will get the alcohol. So there what happens? One of the hydrogen, this hydrogen can be written like this, HH. This H, this chlorine is removed as what? HCl. This hydrogen will be substituted here. Now what happens? We are going to get aldehyde. So it is an partial reduction. Rosenmund reduction is what? It is an partial reduction of acid chloride. Partial reduction of acid chloride. It is an partial reduction reagent which we are using here. That reagent is said to be Lindlar's catalyst. It is said to be what? Lindlar's catalyst. Lindlar's catalyst. So this same Lindlar's catalyst we used in case of alkynes to alkene conversion also. Okay, na? So in presence of this Lindlar's catalyst we will get the cis alkenes that we had seen later. Okay, na? We will see in future classes. So now acetyl chloride, that is acid chloride will be changes to what? Aldehyde. It is what? Acetaldehyde. Acetyl chloride will be changes to acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Now similarly you can take benzyl chloride also. The benzyl chloride is also changes to when it is react with hydrogen in presence of this reagent quinoline, that is palladium over barium sulfate and quinoline. So we are going to get benzaldehyde. We are getting the water benzaldehyde. So it is, and one of the reaction, it is also here HCl is the byproduct. Now this reaction is called Rosenmund reduction. Now only aldehydes we can prepare. You can take the another one. So C double bond OCl. It is what? Propanyl chloride. This propanyl chloride on reduction on hydrogenation in presence of this catalyst, we are getting propanaldehyde or propanol plus HCl. Okay, So if you are taking the water formyl chloride, you can take the formyl chloride, methanol chloride. It is ethanol chloride, no? Now here it is what formyl, methanol chloride. Is only one carbon. Now which is on reaction? Which is on reaction with hydrogen gas? In presence of this Lindblad catalyst, palladium over barium sulfate, and quinoline or sulfur you can take. So will not get the formaldehyde here, because formaldehyde cannot be prepared by using this reaction. Why we won't get here formaldehyde? So we should get that formaldehyde because it is hydrogenation, just like a above reactions. But what happens here, you see, this methanol chloride is what it is, a highly unstable one. So which generally does not exist, which is a highly unstable one. So for that reason we will not get the water formaldehyde by using this Rosenmund reduction. Is that clear? So simple reaction. Rosenmund reaction is used to convert the acid chloride to aldehyde by using Lindblad catalyst. Only aldehydes can be prepared. Either it may be aromatic aldehyde or aliphatic aldehyde. So it is a partial reduction reaction. So here quinoline is what it, which is acting as quinoline or sulfur will act as negative catalyst, which reduces the activity of catalyst. If it is not reduced, then what happens? The acid chloride will be changes to alcohol. That's it, Rosenmund reduction. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep watching Appa Chemistry classes.